Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Dwayne.
And my name is Preston.
Panthers, this past Tuesday, Ms. Rodriguez brought her art students to Lockmar Elementary to deliver ceramic sculptures and detailed drawings that they created in collaboration with Lockmar's second grade students.
Everyone was so excited to see the finished outcomes of their work.
All of the creations looked amazing. Take a look.
Heritage would like to give congratulations to the following students who passed their CTE certification exams.
For CTE exam, Unity Certified User, Program Vincent DiDomenico. For CTE exam, Unity Certified User, Artist Jacoby Bishop.
For CTE exam, Autodesk certified user Maya, Michael Sharp.
In other news, all juniors will be taking a free school day SAT on Thursday, March 5th. This exam is paid for by Brevard Public Schools, so do your best.
You can study using College Board's Build Your Own Study Plan or Varsity Tutors on your Launchpad.
And juniors, if you haven't met all the requirements for graduation, this SAT test can help you with those requirements.
Panthers, do you know what's happening tonight? I'm so excited to get my ticket.
Make sure you get your tickets today to save $5 for BSU's Fashion and Talent Show.
Oh yeah, when is it again?
Oh, it's tonight from 6 to 8 p.m.
Pre-sale tickets are being sold in Mrs. Collins' classroom, 4104. That's my mom. For $10 and are being sold at the door for $15.
Get ready to travel through the decades, and good luck to all those performing.
In senior news, your senior panoramic picture is scheduled for next Friday, March 6th in the gym. Mr. Link will call seniors down over the intercom.
Also, now that the senior quote deadline is passed, please check your email for senior superlative voting.
That means you can't complain if you don't vote. The seniors with the most votes for the specific title will be chosen. Make sure you vote. Check your focus for the link.
Seniors, please complete your FAFSA if you're going to trade school or college. Those of you who have already submitted an application need to check for the email that shows it's been processed.
Make sure you are looking at the senior Google Classroom for lots of scholarship opportunities.
Also, check out all the Brevard School Foundation scholarships before it's too late. They are due on March 16th.
In sporting news, our JV Panther baseball team has a busy week next week. On Monday, March 2nd, they will take on Space Coast for a home game at 6 p.m.
On Wednesday, March 4th, JV Baseball will also play against Bayside for a home game at 6 p.m.
JV Baseball will finish next week with a game on Thursday, March 5th. They will take on Palm Bay High for a home game at 6 p.m.
Our varsity baseball Panthers will play Palm Bay High on Tuesday, March 3rd. This will be a home game starting at 6 p.m.
That's a whole week's worth of baseball games here at Heritage.
Our girls softball team will play against Palm Bay High Monday, March 2nd at 6 p.m.
Lastly, the Heritage Beach Volleyball team will play Titusville on Thursday, March 5th.
Are there any games going on tonight?
Yeah, our girls softball team goes against City of Life Christian School tonight at 6 p.m.
Oh yeah, and our varsity baseball team plays against Gateway at 6 p.m. tonight.
Both games will be here at Heritage tonight. Come and check them out. Oh, come and cheer them on.
Oh, and get some great concession stand food. It's really good. Wait, and what about like the track meet? That's like literally today.
Yeah, I don't know. Who wrote the script?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. They need to
They need to fire.
Somebody see like their job loss.
Yeah.
Hey, that's me!
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that.
That's all the news for this week.
And remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
And don't forget to lock in. Thank you for watching.
Go Big Blue! No, because sometimes I'll mess up and say something.
sorry. I didn't know March 16th came after. I thought that was a period.
Yeah, it's the 6th, buddy.
Oh, March, dude.
You're actually doing better than a lot of people, I'm not gonna lie.
For real?
Yeah, they don't like to mess up. They mess up a lot. No offense to Natasha, though. I mean, well, no offense to... I don't know.
I don't think I can do this anymore, you guys.
Don't tell her I said that.
What?
Nothing, actually. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. That's gonna be in the bloopers.
Or do we keep that last part where I messed up and said oops?
I don't know. It's dependent on Riley. The girl that edits.
Hey, can we not keep that? Can we like?
She does what Riley does. What Riley
Can we
wants.
like do that like just the last part again?
Riley does what Riley
Because like,
wants.
pre-sale tickets are being sold in Mrs. Collins' classroom. That's my mom. Whoa. Let's do karaoke.
Karaoke. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, bro.
Rock, paper, scissors, you gotta go first. Give me a beat. Hold this beat. Give me a beat. I'm about to freestyle.
Wait, actually, yeah. Freestyle.
Preston and Dwayne on WPNN. I really want to do this one again. Preston College class of 2026. And you know that I'm freestyling sick. I just dropped the cover for this microphone. And I just want Dwayne to leave me alone. Yeah.